Look at these freaking brownies. You can't even see. Oh, those look delicious. Look at these cookies. Watch out, Allison. No. And more cookies. There's our cookies. Like the baby ones. Oh, yum. Oh my gosh.
You can.
Don't these just look absolutely amazing? Oh god, that's like heaven and sex in your mouth.
Whoa, what's this in my butt? Oh,
God, look at that.
I told you your cat keeps giving me my crop. Look at it.
Oh god, wild cherry, that's gross. There's such fatties in this house. Oh god, they look... I'm about to like die. Gatorade. Allison, let's eat her up.
I'm just kidding. Chocolate.
Raid the fridge. We have nothing exciting. Ooh, ravioli. Milk. Yummy.
Who's that?
My mom has a magnet up here. Who's that kid?
Hey.
She's doing it on my house pool. Oh, God.
Yummy. My mom has this
mouth-watering.
Is that Enrique Iglesias?
Look at our hippie lights. Mouth-watering food. Oh, you're on the Food Network. Say goodbye, Allison.
Bye.